Hey everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we're going to discuss about how to add dynamic followers in Odoo 19. So let's dive into the sales module. And from this, we can say that there is an improvement in the automation rule in Odoo 19. So here you can move on to the studio module, and from there you can find the automation. And let's create an automation rule. And right now I have created an automation. So in previous versions of Odoo, we know that we can add specific followers using this automation. But right now we can add dynamic followers. So here you can set the automation rule name as add followers. So whenever the stage is set to sales order, we have to create dynamic followers. So here you can see that I have given the automation rule. So here we can find a field called followers type. There you can set specific followers. If you're just going with specific followers, that specific followers will be added. So if you're just choosing specific follower, you have to specify the follower name over here. And it is a many-to-many field, and you can add multiple followers over here. But likewise, you can also set dynamic followers. So if I'm setting it as customer, whenever I just create a quotation, and when the quotation is just moved into sale order state, the customer will be added as the follower. So let's save the automation rule that we have created and close the studio module. And let's move on to the sales module to create a quotation. Here in this case, upon clicking on new button, you can see that we can add the customer. Like we can create the quotation and add the customer. I would like to choose Anita Oliver as my customer. And here you can add the product, so which is Aquastic block screen. So I'm going to confirm the product over here. Okay, and right now you can see there is no follower added, and we can just confirm the order. So upon moving the quotation, the state from quotation to sales order, here you can see that the followers has been added. That is, one is the Michelle admin who is dealing with the order, and the other one is the customer, Anita Oliver. By using the automation rule, you can easily add the customers, which means you can add the dynamic followers in an order or in any followers under your project or any task that you're dealing under the Odoo. So if you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.